This is a simple little temperature conversion program for the STEMpedia Python classes 2025. First thing I'm going to do is determine which direction the user wants to convert the temperature. So I'm going to populate this variable called opcode with whatever the answer is, and it's either going to be a yes or a no. The assumption is that anything that isn't yes is going to be converted from Fahrenheit to Celsius, and anything that's yes, we're going to convert the other way from Celsius to Fahrenheit. We collect the input temperature, and then we have a little condition here based on whether or not opcode is yes. If it's for yes, then we make the calculation to temp2, and we give them a little message, you're converting this temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit, and we give them the temperature. If the opcode is not yes, then we're going to do the reverse. We're going to calculate temp2 based on the Fahrenheit to Celsius calculation. And of course, we give them a little note that says, here's the temperature, and we're going to convert it from Fahrenheit to Celsius. And the temperature in Celsius is. So let's just see it in action. Ask my input. Is your input in Celsius? Yes. Enter the temperature. It's 100 degrees out. Woo! You're converting from Celsius to Fahrenheit, and the temperature in Fahrenheit is 212. So let's give it a try the other direction. Is your input in Celsius? No. Enter the temperature. 0. You're converting 0 from Fahrenheit to Celsius. The temperature is a chilly minus 17.777777. So there you go, very simple program.